Hello friends, we are Digital Word Computer and in this chapter we will discuss the basic syntax of PL/SQL, which is a block structured language. We will discuss the comments. Program comments are explanatory statements that can be included in the PL/SQL code that you write and helps anyone reading in source code. All programming language allows some form of comments. The PL/SQL supports single line and multiple line comments. All characters available inside any comment are ignored by the PL/SQL compiler. The PL/SQL single line comment starts with the delimiter, double hyphen. This is the double hyphen. And multiple line comments are enclosed with forward slash and asterisk sign. Let's see an example of PL/SQL single line and multiple line comments. Here, this is the command line prompt, and we declare the declare section. Here we define a, that is an integer type, and we assign a value 10. Next, we define b, and we give it 20. Next, we assign c, and we begin the task. The execution code, and we use single double hyphen as a single line comment. Here, this is a execution area. Next, we use c, a plus b, and now we use multiple line comment. Now we will display the output here, and we use output command. Here we uses the single line and multiple line comment here, and you can see these PL/SQL compilers ignores the whole value as it is a single line comment or a multiple line comment here. Now we will learn about nested blocks. Now we will learn how to work with PL/SQL nested block, that is a PL/SQL block embedded inside another PL/SQL block. To nest a block means to embedded one or more PL/SQL blocks inside another PL/SQL block that provide you with a better control over program execution and exception handling. Let's take a look at the following example. So here we write a code. We clear the screen. Now we write the code. declare father name. It is a variable which is a varchar type 2, and we take it 20 and we assign a value Narayan. Next we declare date of birth, which is a date type, and we also assign a value through the assignment operator. Now we begin the parent. Here again we declare, and here we declare son name, which is also a varchar 2, and here we declare Shiva, and date of birth, date, we are assigning it 1 November 1990, and here we write DBMS output. Here we complete this program, and we uses the to end because the first child column and the parent column is here. Here we got this, the son name is Shiva, the son age is 1 November 90, the father name is Narayan, and the father age is 1 November 1972. As we set the default value through the assignment operator. We have a PL/SQL block that is nested inside computer PL/SQL block inside another example. The outer PL/SQL block is called parent block. Here you can see this outer block is called a parent block, and in the inner side, here when we declare the something, this is called child block. The outer PL/SQL block is called parent block or enclosing block, and the inner PL/SQL block is known as child block or nested block or enclosed block. If you take a look at the code carefully, you will see that we have two variables with the same name, that is date of birth. Here we set the variables as the same variables. In the declaration of both parent and child blocks. This is allowed in this scenario. The question here is which variable does the select statement accepts, because we use the DOB here and DOB here. As per preference SQL command line prompt, accept the child block DOB because it sets in the child, so it will choose this child DOB variable here, and for the outer side it accepts the parent block DOB by the block level. But what is block level? If you want to refer to the variable in the parent block inside the child block, PL/SQL provide you with a feature called block level. So this is the block level. Through block level that you can qualify all reference to variable inside block via a label. To label a block you just need to provide a label name, that is we set a label name that is outer. Before the declaration section as follows, we are declare it here. We set outer as label name and parent block and inner block as child block. Then you can refer to a variable inside the block by using a dot notation. We uses the dot notation here, and this block is referred to this block. So this is the beauty of block level, that we can use the outer level inside the child level block. So through these we can use the nested block, and we can use the same variables in the parent declaration and the child declaration blocks, and we uses the block level outside the parent block, and the outer portion is called, this portion is called parent block, and the inner portion is called child block. When we use declare the something about to, this is called child block. When we use the variable inside the child, it is take the declaration in the child section, and when we want to use the parent declaration, then we use the block level, and through the dot notation we can use the outer declaration variable inside the child block. So this is the complete example of comments and the nested blocks. In the next chapter we will discuss about cursors and interacting with the SQL server through the PL/SQL programming language. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe, like and comment our videos. Thank you.